Hey guys, how you guys doing? This is editing Stella here. I'm currently editing the video that I will put up tomorrow. Tomorrow is Tuesday, and that video will be going up tomorrow. So I'm just here, like I wanted to just come and thank you guys, all of you who have taken the time to reach out to me on Instagram, asking if I'm okay since I've not uploaded for a while, guys. I'm fine, I'm perfect. Like the thing is just that let me put on this line before we talk. So the thing is that you guys know YouTube. YouTube is fun, okay, but sometimes it can get very boring, especially if you keep doing the same thing, editing, filming, uploading. So it gets to a point I just needed to give myself a break. Like that is what I do now. That's how I have decided to how do I say it? Enjoy the process. You know, for me to enjoy this process, it doesn't have to feel like work. It has to be like I'm actually enjoying it. And how do I cope with that? I just have to give myself a break. Whenever I don't feel like editing or uploading, I don't do that. I don't say because I have to meet up my target of a certain amount of money a month. I have to push out videos. No, when I'm tired, I am tired. When I feel like uploading, I upload. So now I have taken the necessary break. So this is going to be like an intro before my other videos, guys. So I've taken like the necessary break, and so I can now come back and upload my videos and film for you guys, and you guys will see the happy, the joyful Stella. Okay, so it's just a process, it's nothing serious. I'm fine. But every one of you that took out your time to check up on me, to ask me how I'm doing, thank you so much. I so much appreciate you guys. You have no idea. Please don't stop checking up on me. If you don't see me like this, check up on me. Oh, you never can tell, but God forbid nothing's going to happen. But yeah, for now I'm fine. I just deliberately decided to give myself a break from YouTube. So I think I've been rambling enough. I'm just about going out to pick my kids. Let me show you guys what I'm putting on. Baby Renee, we're twinning today. So I don't even know if you guys can see it, but this is me here. No slippers or nothing. I'm looking like a tomboy today. Yeah, I'm in the mood of that. And again, the weather is a little cold. It rained last night, so everywhere is a little damp and cold. So I thought I should wear these sweatpants. But that's it, guys. I'll talk to you guys probably. Okay, you guys are just going to start seeing the vlogs. I've been vlogging, but I've not been editing, okay? So you guys are going to start seeing the vlogs that have happened, you know. Yeah, so thank you so much for checking up on me. Thank you. You know yourself, especially you that checked up on me recently. Thank you so much. Thank you. I don't know if you want me to call your name, but I would have loved to. But thank you. God bless you. Baby Renee is crying. I'll talk to you guys. Okay, you guys should watch the vlogs, okay? Hey guys, good morning. It's my official Sunday service vlog. Actually, I'm not taking you guys to church, but it's Sunday here. And I'm having a little bit of allergy for some reason this morning, but that's fine. And we are getting to church this morning. I didn't go to church. I haven't gone to church for quite some time, but that's fine. At least we're going today. And that's my kids over there. But Ryan, sit about, say hi, please. This is Ryan. Ryan, say hi to the vlog. Hi. And that's Baby Renee. Baby Renee, say hi to the vlog. Hi. She can talk. Anyways, we're all set. I'm just waiting for my girl to get ready so she can actually join us. But everybody's set. Says she's having a bath now. We're supposed to be in church before 9 o'clock or latest at 9 o'clock. But for some reason, we might be late. But you know, when you have kids, you can never be late because this is why I don't go to church with these kids every time. But yeah, just wanted to check up on you guys. I hope you guys went to church. I hope you went to church. If you did not go to church, let me know why you did not go to church down in the comment section. Well, I just hope you went to church. Hey guys, how are you guys doing? Welcome back to another video. Hello now. Welcome back to another episode of Stella's vlog. Anyways, it's been a beautiful weekend and it's Monday now. And I'm just here trying to catch up with Big Brother, Naija. I didn't watch the show yesterday. I think it started yesterday. I wasn't able to watch them, but I'm watching it now, and I realized that one of my sisters, one of the housemates is actually a sister of mine. Like she's from Eleme. You guys should go support her. I think her name is Beatrice or so. I've not really had time to like know them one-on-one. Even this morning I've been busy with my computer trying to learn new stuff. I told you guys I'm learning how to code, right? Your girl is becoming a technician. I'm just learning. I'm just keeping my brain very busy, and I didn't go out today, so I was like, I might as well just use my time to, apart from watching YouTube videos and being online, just learn something new. So I'm learning how to code, and I'm also watching them as well. So yeah, you guys should go support my sister. I think her name is Beatrice. I'll like know her name before I actually post this video, so you guys can see it on the screen or maybe in the description box. And also a friend of mine from school, like my classmate from undergrad, her sister is also one of the housemates. I just realized that. So I think Ogo is her surname, but I don't know the sister's name. It should be Peace or something. But you guys should support them as well. Like, you guys should just support our people, you know. Obviously in Nigeria, Big Brother Naija is like the only way. Let me reduce this stuff. So as I was saying, obviously in Nigeria, Big Brother Naija is like the only way you can just blow overnight, you know. The only way you can actually do well as an individual, because there are no jobs. So what do you expect? People are going into it and people are making it. So if you eventually have someone or know someone that is there, I think it's just nice that we support them. Hopefully they don't disgrace us, but we just support them regardless, because you don't throw away your own, right? So yeah, that being said, I want to go pick the kids up from school, and first of all go pick, it's a little bit quite early, it's not even 1:30 yet, but I'm going early because I want to go get Bole. Ryan has been disturbing me for Bole. So I was like, okay, let me go get him Bole. So you guys might come with me and let's get Bole. Then I pick them from school. Then hopefully I might talk to you guys today again or tomorrow. I've not been able to upload video for like 2 weeks straight. 1 week straight, like 2 upload days I've missed. I was even supposed to upload tomorrow. Hopefully I can meet up with that, because I haven't even started editing the video. But I'll talk to you guys probably once we get to the Bole place. Let me get Bole. I've promised them Bole. My kids now eat Bole. It's very surprising. Like, Bole has pepper, you guys know, but these kids don't eat food that has pepper. But all of a sudden, they now want Bole. Bole that has pepper. So let me go get them Bole, because I promised them in church yesterday that if they behave themselves, I'll buy them Bole. They call it Bole. So I'll buy them Bole. Let's go get Bole, okay? It is Tuesday and it's about 6:10, which is past 6 in the morning. Like, it's very, very early, and this is when I have motivation to do stuff. If I want to really do stuff, I have to start doing it now. So hence you see me wanting to edit the video, because after now I will not have that motivation to edit. But yeah, I'll talk to you guys maybe within the course of the day as the day goes by. Or I just woke up, brush my teeth, and had to make this video. Okay, I'll talk to you guys later. Okay. And over here it's about 7:07. I'm just getting the kids ready so I can take them to school. I think today is their party day or something. Let me see the shirt you're wearing. Can you go backward? Go back. Go back. Let me see how you look. Let me reduce this stuff. I don't even know where to reduce the volume. Actually closing today, but I'll be taking them to buy some things that they will need in school. Let me wind down. I think this is giving me a very dark reflection. This is way better. Okay, so I'm taking them so they can buy stuff that they will use for school. This is Isabel. And I'm here with baby Renee. I'm going with baby Renee because I want my girl to be able to like get her hands on stuff, so I don't want baby Renee to distract her. Let me go with baby. We're not going to waste time anyways, just to take them to school, drop whatever I'm getting, then come back. It's just a chill day. Although I have some errands I want to run today. I would like to go to my alma mater UST to get some things done. I also want to today is 28th. I have some things to do. I have some couple of errands to run busy. Let's get to the supermarket, then from there we'll know what to do. All right. Hey guys, so I decided not to go inside. I just had to allow my husband go get the stuff. If we all go in together, like the kids and I, we're going to waste so much time. I just wanted him to go get it so we can leave here on time. They are still going to school this morning. But by the way, let me show you guys. We are at Everyday.
One eternity later.
I don't even know at this point if this is a new video or it is an old video. I don't know, but whatever. Welcome back regardless. Guys, I have been away from YouTube for a while. I'll still try to post out videos. Like before you guys see this video, I'll upload my old videos that I already filmed. But the problem is I've been losing motivation, which you guys know is a normal thing. If you don't know, when you are a YouTuber or you're on social media, there comes a time where you just feel not motivated, less motivated to film or even edit or to do anything that has to do with content creation. So that is the point I am now. So I'm not even bothered about it because I don't want to say I don't know what is wrong with me, because I do know what is wrong with me. I have actually felt this way before, and what I did is what I'm doing now, which is just taking some step backward, just giving myself a break, because let's be sincere, this thing is not like a job for me, or it's not, even if it's a job, because I'm getting paid from it. It's not like you do or die affair. Okay, social media can be very overwhelming, so I don't want to like feel bad whenever I don't feel like editing or whenever I don't feel like uploading a video. I don't want to make it look like I have to. I just have to. So I'm so sorry for so. I don't even know if I should apologize. I don't think I should apologize, because for some time now, for like 1 week, 2 weeks, I have not filmed. I have not picked up this camera to film. But thank God I still have some old content that I'll upload. But of course, I've missed some good upload days, if not more than 2 weeks upload days, because I have been very, very tired. Like even editing, I've been very tired of editing, but that's fine. That's one of those things. So there are a couple of videos I would like to discuss about, but I don't know if it's if I don't even know if you guys can see me very well. There are a couple of videos I want to make, but the thing is, I don't know how you guys are going to receive it. So this is me here telling you guys to tell me content. What kind of content would you guys like to see? The last time I asked this question, most of you were saying you want to see market vlogs. I understand that. I also want to make market vlogs for you guys, but see, let's be sincere, it's not very practical that I'll always go to the market to film whenever I want to film a video. So other than market vlogs, what kind of videos do you want to see? Be sincere, just tell me down in the comment section. It's going to help me, maybe it's going to motivate me to film, but for now I don't have that motivation. So that is, I just feel I need to explain to you guys. So you guys should not think maybe if I don't upload a video for 2 weeks, 3 weeks, don't think maybe I've abandoned my channel. I haven't abandoned my channel. It's just a normal feeling that whenever I feel overwhelmed and tired of filming, I just take a break. I'm so sorry about that. So whenever I feel tired or overwhelmed or just exhausted of the whole process, I take a break. Then I come back and I feel very refreshed, energetic, and I start sometimes 3 times a week video, 2 times a week video. But now you guys can see even 1 time a week. I'm not saying 1 time. Let's say times. 1 time a week, I can't even meet up. So yeah, please bear with me. And yeah, I hope you guys are doing great. Yeah, that's just basically what I wanted to come here and tell you guys. All right, enough blabbing. I'll talk to you guys later on in another video, in another good terms, in another good dream. Okay, bye. Hey guys, how are you guys doing? Okay, it's evening now. It's about 6:18. It's quite late. I'm just here in my room watching TV. You guys can see me all covered up. That is because it's really cold. Today has been cold. It's been raining since morning. And no, it wasn't raining in the morning. When I went to church, okay, it rained in church. It started raining when I was so yeah, I think it started raining while I was in church. And when I came back from church, it stopped raining. But then it started raining again, and till now the weather is cold. It has stopped raining, but the weather is still very cold. I'm just here with baby Renee, as you guys can see. So baby Renee hasn't been feeling so fine, but she's getting better, and I'm surprised she's jumping. She's getting used to the camera. Whenever she sees the camera, she's happy, just like me. Yeah, how are you guys seeing this Big Brother Naija season 6? How are you guys seeing it? Who do you think is going to win? Last time I made a statement about Big Brother Naija on my channel was into the set before Tacha's set, which is the FA set, right? And I predicted. Okay, no, I think last set. What I saying? Last set, I said who was going to win, and I definitely said Lekon. I was suspecting either Lekon and I think Dorothy, and those were like the first runner-up and the winner. So this year I want to predict somebody else, but not yet. I'm looking at the person I was actually predicting. I'm beginning to see why that person might not win. So I won't be fast to predict who is going to win, but I'm going to predict who is going to win soon. I already have like top 5 though. I know top 5 people that I think are going to win this season, but I don't want to call them yet. But I don't know if I told you guys that my sister is actually here on the show. My sister, I mean someone from my local government and my place. Her name is Beatrice. If she's still here after today, because today is eviction day, today is Sunday. If she's still here after today, then you guys should please go support Beatrice. Hopefully, I'll talk to you guys tomorrow, okay?